Mwah. Oh.
Watch your finger.
Ow.
Ouch.
And because our fire alarm is so sensitive here,
You have to fan it.
yeah.
Oh,
Get
thank
that
you.
fan.
Thank you.
Get that fan.
Thank you.
Good morning, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm gonna be showing you everything I eat in a day. Obviously, I don't eat the same thing every single day, but this is just an idea of what a typical day might look like for me and just kind of what I focus on when it comes to ingredients and meals throughout the day. If you're new to my channel, this is my 1-year-old Oakley. I am still breastfeeding him, so that is definitely something I keep in mind when I'm thinking about my meals for the day, because if you don't know, breastfeeding makes you so hungry all the time. First thing I do, of course, is drink a large glass of water to stay hydrated. Thank you. Oh. I got some fresh sourdough baking in the oven. I think I'm gonna have some avocado toast with eggs. Oh. We were having some big feelings this morning, but we feel better now. Yeah? Mwah. Mwah. So if you've been here for a while, you know I don't actually drink coffee or caffeine at all. Honestly, it's not good for my mental health, and I feel like I have way more energy not having it. So instead I drink Herbal coffee. There's lots of different brands. It's essentially like roasted barley and chicory. 2, 3. I do liquid stevia. I'm gonna check on her breath. Oh, it looks good. It looks good. It looks done. Hang on.
Done.
Yeah.
Oh.
Sorry. I told you it's sensitive. Okay, I gotta take it out. Oh yeah. Oh. There is nothing better than waking up to fresh bread. Look at that. Oh, yeah, it's hot. Ooh, that cool. That looks magnifique. Essentially, Herbal coffee just doesn't have caffeine in it, but it tastes like coffee. And it's usually made with very simple ingredients. So I don't drink it because it's like good for you. I just drink it because it tastes like coffee and doesn't have caffeine. But it also isn't bad for you. Does that make sense? And I like to add some collagen in there to get my protein like first thing in the morning because...
Mama, stop talking. Yay. Watch your finger.
Thank you. Love it. Yes. Okay, hang on. Remember, fingers off if mommy's cutting. And we're gonna make watermelon fries.
Yeah. Fries. Now it's the pass.
Ow!
You okay?
Cut myself.
Ouch. Ouch.
Yeah, we are back. The knives here are so sharp and I'm not used to it. Usually it's daddy cutting himself. Now we have little fries.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Cheers. Cheers. I love just prepping a big batch of like a fruit or a veggie so we can snack on it during the day. Ah! Look who's back. Hi. Oh, only you want mommy, huh? You want eggs, right? Hey. Even without caffeine, it still tastes pretty damn good. That's good. And I put it in a thermos because mom hack, if you actually want your tea or coffee to be hot, you gotta put it into a thermos because it's not gonna stay hot very long. Woo! Ready?
That's cool.
Smell it. Mmm. We like sea salt. We like a little nutritional yeast.
No.
You don't like? Oh, I thought you liked that on. Okay. There you go. Do you want some egg white? I can cut some of the egg white.
No, thank you.
Okay, there you go. And what I love to do is just add a little cottage cheese on top of my eggs. Sometimes I do scrambled, sometimes sunny side up. I'm probably gonna put my eggs on the toast, and I usually have 3 eggs, or I'll do 2 with like a side of a breakfast sausage or bacon, but this is what I'm feeling like today, and it looks so good. And I have a side of grapefruit. And then Matt's just eating leftovers. I'm not gonna lie, this is usually how I eat breakfast, is like standing up, eating quickly before my kids like need me for something. I gotta take Oakley out for his morning walk soon. So he's still doing 2 naps a day right now, but his morning nap he'll only do if it's like an assisted nap, so like a stroller nap or a car nap. He's doing really, really good. But then right after, both of them have back-to-back swim classes, so I wanna make sure he's like well rested. He used to do a 30-minute nap, but now we've even cut it down to 20 minutes, and it's been helping his second nap be a little bit longer. I'm gonna eat this, finish getting ready, and then we're gonna go for a walk and do some swimming. Cottage cheese right now, guys. I'm obsessed, like, Matt's gonna go to the gym.
Bye. Mwah. Thank you. Yummy, yummy bread, yummy eggs.
Another thing I totally forgot about is my vitamins. I usually take them after breakfast. Some I do after lunch, but right now I'm taking a magnesium, my prenatals, and D3. Because even when I'm away from home, I still gotta stay on my vitamins. Okay, now I have to get ready. So it's actually Valentine's Day today, and Matt got me the most beautiful flowers. Got me some snackies. These are Sage's flowers. You got 2 girls to take care of. Sage did us some Valentine's Day cards too, colored in them. So adorable. Okay, this is actually so cute of Matt to surprise me with flowers and actual snacks that I enjoy eating. So these are just some nacho tortilla chips. We have some cookies and some chocolate covered peanuts. I love me some snacks. Speaking of delicious treats, since it is Valentine's Day, we're gonna be making some cookies. These are some giant chocolate chunk cookies that look delicious. These are actually from my Wild Grain box delivery. So they are the first ever Bake from Frozen subscription box. And what's really cool is they actually partner with small bakeries and fresh pasta makers across the country, and really trying to support that artisanal bakery style when it comes to bread, pasta, and pastries. And like, don't get me wrong, I'm trying to focus on like my protein and my veggies, but when it comes to breads and pastas, I love those, but what I look for are better quality ingredients. I also got this sourdough baguette in my box, and it's actually really hard to find sourdough products at your regular grocery store. And unlike a lot of store-bought options, Wild Grain uses a slow fermentation process, which not only is easier on your belly, but it increases the nutrients from your food. I am all about balancing my blood sugar when it comes to what I eat, so I really try to choose sourdough or a sprouted grain when it comes to my carbs. And like fresh pasta, you just can't go wrong. How it works is you actually get to build your own box. They have so many different items to choose from. They have seasonal items, limited time offers, and you are supporting small bakeries. And with every membership, 4 meals are donated to those in need. Even the packaging is sustainable and recyclable. They even have plant-based and gluten-free options. If you want fresh, high-quality baked goods from the comfort of your own home, check out Wild Grain. I'm gonna link them down below in the description box. Use my code Nikole to save $30 off your first box. Plus, get this, guys, free croissants for life. Are you kidding me? My 4-year-old, she's a croissant monster, and their croissants are incredible, like the freshest thing you will ever enjoy, and you get to make them right at home. You don't even have to leave the house, which is sometimes really helpful when you have 2 kids. So normally for lunch, I would just have like dinner leftovers, something quick and easy, but because it's Valentine's Day, Matt decided that we should go out for lunch, because like nighttime dates are really hard when you have kids, but we have someone to watch the kids during the day today, so we are definitely taking advantage, and we're gonna go for a little mom and dad lunch date. And I'm gonna show you what I order when we're out at restaurants, because reality is like I don't just eat at home. These would be really good with guac. So obviously it's busy on Valentine's Day, so we're on a wait list, so we're just doing a little walk on the dock.
So what is building up our appetite? Walking a little bit?
Yeah, exactly, yeah. I ate some of the cookies you got me too, so I'm like, oh, I'm not even that hungry. No, I'm gonna be hungry in like 20 minutes. By the time we order our food, we already know what we're getting.
Order it all at once.
Yeah, we have basically an hour and like 20 minutes until we have to head back home. It's like speed lunch date. Lunch was delicious. Was that so good?
It was very good.
Oh, it's the perfect amount of food too. I feel like when we get there, we're always like, ooh, trying to like check out the appetizers. Don't get sucked in by the appetizers. I try to like really focus on like the fresh stuff. Lately, even avoiding like the fried stuff. Normally we do calamari. We didn't do that today and I feel like better.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, I don't feel like overstuffed, and I really just try to avoid like the fried food, the overly greasy food. I love to eat out. I love to try out new flavors and stuff. And so like eating healthy doesn't just mean like you have to make all your meals from scratch. It's definitely good to make most of your meals from home, but it's fun to go out to eat. Sorry, there's like so many speed bumps. So my rule of thumb is a couple of veggie options, a salad, some good protein, and just not filling up on all the like the greasy fried foods. Those are fun. Truffle fries, delicious. I don't do them all the time, and when I do, I just feel like more heavier and not as great. So it was nice that we could sneak out for a little mom and dad lunch date, but now we're gonna head back to the kids. Oakley's napping and Sage is having lunch, and then we're gonna, I think, go out. We have to go out to the grocery store, get a couple things, and then for dinner I think it's gonna be something really easy, but I don't even know if I'm gonna need a snack. I feel like I'm gonna be full for a good amount of time. I had 3 things on my list to grab, so naturally we came back with like 5 things. Normally I do have an afternoon snack, but I feel like it's already after 5 and I think we're just gonna have an early dinner. Look at these helpers.
These go in the fridge.
Which ones
I
are
know,
those?
Opie's taking
That's
them
okay.
in my room.
What's that? Mushrooms?
Yes.
Yes, you like mushrooms. Okay. So for dinner, we're actually making these like salmon, kind of like a deconstructed salmon roll, but it's a bowl.
What salmon?
This is a type of fish.
Oh, but Mama, I want sushi. Why we need that?
Just a little bit, and we're gonna rub it in. Think, whoa. Okay, that's good.
Look, it tastes stinky.
Doing a little lime juice, a little garlic powder. I'm not gonna add salt to it because tamari's already pretty salty. Little olive oil, and I'm gonna massage it and pop it into the oven. We also have some edamame and rice cooking on the side. I honestly would say this is probably one of our go-to like once a week kind of style meals because everyone will eat it and it's really easy to put together. Massage. Being very careful not to cut my finger again. I'm excited to try out this organic rice cauliflower stir fry. So for the kids and Matt, they're just doing regular rice. And I'm just doing, I like doing cauliflower rice because not only is it just like, you know, if I already had a lot of like breads and stuff earlier in the day, it's just a little bit lighter, but also is extra veggies in my dinners. You need some seaweed. We get the toasted ones with avocado oil. I really try to minimize seed oils as much as possible. And then I'm gonna make a spicy mayo, which is just avocado oil, mayonnaise, and sriracha. Oh, and you definitely want avocado. I'm gonna use the rest of this little guy here and then use this one. So we're gonna chop that up. And it's kind of just like an assembly and then everyone makes their own bowls. I mean, we make the kids bowls, but you know what I mean. It's just like a really easy weeknight dinner. It's gonna be delicious. Honestly, the sauce makes the bowl, so you definitely wanna make it. Don't buy the store-bought, just make it yourself. It's so much healthier. I am gonna season the cucumbers, a little bit of sesame oil, toasted, and then some of this seaweed seasoning. The fish is done. Ooh, that's gonna be good. Sage likes sesame seeds. Oh yeah, get her out, She's good. It's okay, don't hurt yourself. Perfect. See, I only did 12 minutes and that's perfect. Like you don't want to overcook salmon. It's a crime. I like to season all the toppings, especially because Oakley's gonna have them all separate. So that way everything tastes yummy. So I'm doing a little bit of tamari and toasted sesame oil. Honestly, toasted sesame oil will make your kids eat everything. Oh, it's nice making meals that everyone can have. Just gonna peel off the skin. All right, here are the bowls, even though I'm not really doing a what I eat in a day for my kids, but got the seaweed wrappers. I'm gonna put some aside for Sage. Oakley hasn't really had these. I might slice them up on the side for him to try, but that's his. I'm gonna do mine now. All right, this is my dinner: cauliflower rice, salmon, cucumber, all the things. And we're all gonna eat together at the same time. That never happens. Look at us eating the same thing. Okay, so this is what you do. You take the little seaweed wrap, you like mix it all together. Yeah. Oh, mine's hot, Hang on. Oh, now you want mine. You love it so much. Okay. Mine's got spicy stuff too. And we just eat it like a little sushi roll. Mmm. You want more? It's good, right? This is so good and easy. If you guys haven't made something like this, highly recommend adding it to your like weekly meal plan. Mmm. 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 Oh, wow, it's delicious. You know why I did that? Because I heard you're supposed to tap them. I didn't think it was going to be that loud. Don't wake up the kids. Oh. Oh.
Oh, good.
That's perfect. Got my kimchi.
2 thumbs up.
I know, it's so good. Don't forget to check out my link below for Wild Grain. You get $30 off with my code. And also free, you don't even know this, free croissants for life. I'm like, what?
What?
I don't know.
Free croissant?
I don't know.
Yeah, those croissants are good.
I know.
They were good.
Good night. Thanks for watching.
Good night.